Hey everybody, I'm Kate Dillon with CrateInsider.com, and I'm here today with Doug Sire from Goodridge. And Doug, we've got you have a brand new brake fluid, right? Is it new to you or just new altogether?
Well, the UK, our founding company, of course, is still in the UK. That's where the home office is. They've been selling the brake fluid over there. We've brought it over to the US. It's been formulated to work with our product, especially. And it's a high temp, 600 Fahrenheit brake fluid that's good for all kinds of racing, from road racing, dirt racing, so it covers all the markets.
Well, that's really convenient. I mean, of course, I work a lot in the dirt space, maybe a little bit of asphalt, and that, are there any special properties that you would say, what sets your brake fluid apart?
Well, we can't tell you the special properties, of course, but no, they've worked really hard with the manufacturer that's out of the UK, and it is formulated so it works, specifically for our brake fluid. It won't deteriorate the lining of the brake lines. It doesn't break down under heat. It doesn't accumulate the water that some of the other ones do. So we've done a lot of research on it, and being in the brake industry for 53 years now, we kind of know what we're talking about on that. So it's a really good fluid. It's priced well too. It's not a really high price. It fits in the market really well. It should do well over here.
Excellent, and I'm really excited to add this to our lineup on CrateInsider.com. And those were some of the properties I really wanted to ask. Not really what you put in it, because it's not like I'm going to go make it in my kitchen. But it's really that idea. We do end up dealing with some high heats,
yes,
and that can really be a challenge with any of the fluids, any of our racing fluids breaking down. And then you mentioned something I hadn't thought of with the how it works with the lines. That's so important.
Oh yeah, absolutely, because there are chemicals out there that deteriorate seals and the lining of the product and stuff like that. So it's really important that you use the proper fluid with the lines.
Fantastic. Well, of course, you can find this at our website at CrateInsider.com, our new Goodridge brake fluid. And thank you so much for taking the time with me today, Doug.
Well, thanks for having me.